Your company seeks to deliver safe, innovative, and effective solutions to the medical community. Have you ever wondered how you might better reduce risk to doctors, nurses, and patients? What if you could take innovation to the next level while improving product quality and expediting regulatory compliance? What if process integration and traceability across all your product information was the key? Imagine having at your fingertips a fully integrated system to collaboratively manage your product design, development, sustaining, and regulatory processes. What would that mean to your company? It would mean safer and more effective products for your customers. You can now effortlessly search all of your product-related data and spot trends early to prevent issues from occurring. The system organizes your information and provides multiple out-of-the-box reports, views, and tools to understand the state of your products and processes. This flexible, robust solution supercharges your quality system for compliance to government regulations and ISO standards. What if this could reduce product corrective actions and field actions, prevent costly recalls, or even save lives? It would mean increased collaboration and productivity. During new product development, your engineers have the information they need when they need it. Global users can access real-time data, capabilities, and collaboration tools more readily than would otherwise be possible. It would mean countless man-hours saved. You no longer have to sift through disjointed data sets, manually searching, producing reports, and copying information. Easy searches, automatic reports, and integrated links do the work for you. The system encourages design reuse and eliminates the need to continuously reinvent components. Finally, it would mean tremendous time and money saved that might otherwise have been spent forcing awkward integrations between many and possibly hundreds of database systems that were never designed to work together. At Integware, we believe in the vision of enhanced product development through the power of intelligently integrated product processes. Today we will demonstrate a comprehensive example of how this vision might be realized, not with words and fake screens, but with a walkthrough of a very real, enhanced Innovia V6 system and a real-life example. This integrated solution automates and integrates the essential processes of product development, product change, product and process validation, and supplier integration. Dive deeper into the integration of detailed requirements, regulatory submissions, and downstream issue management like CAPA, quality risk assessment, root cause analysis, complaints, audit findings, and product and process nonconformances. Imagine this entire integrated web of processes overlaid with an intuitive trending and reporting business intelligence engine that performs quickly and efficiently, even when dealing with massive data sets. Our story unfolds as your company encounters a device alarm failure during a final acceptance test on a CT scanner. First, you log a non-conformance report in the system and order a shipment hold on the product. Concurrent to the non-conformance, the field service department submitted several complaints when servicing units that use the same printed circuit board as the CT scanner. The part number was traced back to the design requirements. From the complaint, you can quickly access the unit's bill of materials, then look more closely at the problematic circuit board. From the Where Used link, you can see that other processes and products, like the CT scanner, were affected. An investigation is required to determine whether there is a correlation with other complaints. The root cause analysis indicates that the supplier used a new integrated circuit in the circuit board without following an appropriate change process or notifying your company of the design change. This is clearly a serious issue requiring corrective and preventive action. Each root cause must now be addressed with an action task. It's quick and easy to build an action plan with predefined customizable action tasks. The sophisticated approval technology determines the most appropriate assignees for each corrective action based on company-specific rules and user roles. Following traceability of the circuit board, the investigation determined that the latest revision does not meet requirements and requires a significant design change. You confirm this by performing the verification test cases that were traced to the requirements. Purchasing controls, including supplier audit procedures, must be improved to prevent suppliers from changing components or raw materials without first notifying your company. This is addressed by a second change order which is linked to the CAPA. The supplier is then placed on a probationary status in the system. These changes are monitored throughout the CAPA effectivity stage. A design change order is used to incorporate a revised integrated circuit into the design. The streamlined change process ensures the collection of all required information, assessment actions, and approvals for greater compliance and fewer costly mistakes. You can edit product data within the tools that were used to author the product definition. The product requirements are captured from marketing, competitive analysis, and customer feedback. As you begin to drive the product definition, you see the functional and logical definitions are integrated into a systems design paradigm. For example, take one requirement for the CT scanner. The maximum X-ray absorption for an adult is 150 millirems. Looking at the system definition, you can validate that the allowable dosage is outlined within the functional view. Any dosage above 150 millirems will cause the CT scanner to sound an alarm and shut down to ensure patient safety. Real-world behavior is simulated virtually with the entire product definition. As you rework the product design within the change order, the system maintains all aspects of the device master record, such as the bill of materials, product specifications, labeling, and inspection procedures. This is tightly integrated with the engineering and design change process as well as to the complete design history file and product requirements. You can quickly search and compare across BOMs to ensure that issues and changes that impact one product are also addressed in other affected products. When regulatory agencies inspect your company, you're already prepared with all the necessary documents assembled into the design history file and other often requested formats for easy tracking and retrieval. Better still, the entire inspection, including requests and findings, is captured in the system. Containment of the issue is verified via a thorough product traceability investigation. Because few customers were impacted, a minor field corrective action is sufficient. The traceability and richness in the data enabled quick identification of a trend and rapid resolution of an issue through CAPA and change management. Clearly, had the issue not been addressed, more serious and costly corrective action, such as a recall, would have been required. For medical device companies, effective product quality and development processes are critical not only to the health of the organization, but also to the well-being of doctors, nurses, and patients. What you've seen in this video is possible today. This is not science fiction. Don't be left behind. Stay ahead of the curve.